Alright, so I got this off the car, and I'm going to take off the badge and the Type S badge, clean up the plastic, and then maybe repaint the Acura badge. So we'll go ahead and get started with that. It's pretty rusty, so I hope I don't strip anything. But I found out this is, I think it's what, a 5/16? Yeah, 5/16. Hopefully I don't have to buy new badges. I think they're kind of expensive, but if I have to, I will. Okay. Just gonna try spinning the badge. Oh no. Well, I didn't put any pressure on that either. Shoot. Well, that's funny because Jess was saying I didn't want to buy one, but depending on how much we care, I might just repair it. But it's also pretty sun faded and kind of warped, so might just buy a new one. That's so interesting. Yeah, I didn't put any pressure on that either. All right. I thought this just pops out. Maybe they glued it in. Looks like it was plasti dipped red. Yeah, let me know if I should just keep this silver or plasti dip it red. What do you think? Or paint it black. Looks like it was glued in. Wow, it's in really good condition, silver though. It's not faded or rusty or anything. Alright. But moving on to the plastic, I'm going to wipe this down with maybe some quick detailer, clean it up, and then I have some of this from Gearhead, like a plastic refresh. We absolutely love this stuff. We use it on everything that we can. I've used it on the Charger plastic, use it on my truck, everything. So yeah, that should be enough. Get this thing looking brand new. There is not a drop left. Alright. It's fine, I can use a little bit of this. I know it's not ideal, but it'll get the good dirt up. Alright, no one's really going to see the backside, but I figured I'd clean it up a little bit. And move back to here. I'm going to get some napkins. Our table's a little messy. You know what, while it's still wet, may as well like this down too. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet on getting this out. I might try breaking the glue. Just would hate to ruin this nice badge since I already got the Type S1 broken. But this definitely needs some refresh. Look how faded this is. This is almost worse than this is. So alright. Let's see if I can use this. I might have to go grab a rag. So I always spray the rag first. That's probably a little too much, but it's alright. It's always so satisfying. Yeah, it's not really spreading well. I may have to go grab a rag. Out of all the detailing products we have, this one's by far my favorite because it's the most satisfying and instantaneous. Like, look at that. Spreads a lot better with a cloth. Oh no. It's hard to get in these little holes. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. If I'm gonna get a little brush or if I'm just gonna leave it. But it's looking a lot better. Alright, not too bad for just a couple minutes work. Yeah, I might get something smaller to go inside of these holes and get all of that cleaned up, at least that little rough spot. But we can move on. Yeah, I think I can probably get through and condition this plastic and then take off the... Not too bad. It's not conditioning as well as I thought it would up top, but it might be a little bit of overspray or something that may not be fading. Wow. That's crazy. But I mean, like, that's dry. Wow. Yeah, I have to get something smaller to go in there as well. Maybe get a tiny bit more in the corner. Kinda. Yeah, this might take a couple layers, but it's getting there. Not as nice as that, but in the meantime, I could probably peel off this plasti dip. almost touched already, but that's okay. I think someone else is this. Touch this. Oh wow, there's one spot right here. It looks like it's through the clear. And you see the little black area? Oh yeah, it's chipped through. So if we do end up keeping this, maybe I have to redo it. If I keep it silver, I may have to repaint it silver or do something. It's over here, it's right through. There's a little board. The glass section. Alright, not too bad. I got a couple more little pieces to get into, but I'll probably do that when I take the badge off of this plastic piece. I'm gonna do a once over on, whoops, that G on. Alright, not too bad.